Hello guys, today I'll be reviewing these Ultraman. I know I did both Tiga Dark reviews in my previous video, but I just want to show you in my new setup, my better lighting and all. Alright, let's go. Yep, don't mind that though. Stuff like that happens. And this thing still has a problem of standing out on its own. As you can see, the feet articulation is what I wanted to say in my previous video. You can see how much better it is. This one's all shiny and this one's all like matte paint. So, oh, even the neck for this one looks weird. Like, look at that, the neck. What does that neck even do? It's really weird, the neck. The back, and yeah, the neck. And then here you can see a better look at the feet. The 4 weird dots, I'm not sure why it's there. Now, okay, that's what I just want to show. Now about these two Ultraman here figures came from Tiga Battle 6 super ancient warrior sets. Yes, that's a lot of words there. And it actually came with this Tiga Dark, but actually I'm pretty sure this is the Tiga Dark that came from that set had white eyes instead of yellow eyes. And it came with Camila, Hudra, and Dara. But Hudra and Dara pretty much look the same as the singular box, while Camila had this kind of hand pose instead of sky types. Oh, I mean instead of this hand pose in her singular box set. Alright, so I'll show you about that. Okay, let's review Tiga Tornado, which is based on Tiga Power type. You can see the hand mold is the same. Yeah, mine's a little scratched up. It came in like that. Same for Power type. You can see the colors, nice. The legs. I'm not sure why this part is always scratched up. This part here is always scratched up. Okay, that's the Tiga Tornado. A very vast contrast compared to Tiga Dark I just showed you just now. And here is Tiga Blast. It's pretty much the same thing as Sky type. And the colors look very similar to multi-type, but I show you the purple and blast is different. As you can see here, the purple here is much brighter, and this figure is a bit hard time standing up. Okay, now it's standing up. But yeah, pretty much looks very similar except with black. Alright, let's go and see. This one is less scratched than compared to Tornado though. Right. Very similar. Alright. 2000 over there. So yeah, that's I think that's about it for this one. Just want to show you a better look into these two rare figures, which even I didn't know until recently. It's like good old without hands blocking the way. Has way better standing up ability compared to the 2018 Tiga Dark. Alright, I think that's it for this video actually. It was a very short review. I just want to show you. I don't even have the box even, I just pretty much shipped it. It came off loose. Alright, I think that's about it for this video. Alright, bye guys.